The OnePlus 7 Pro is finally out and it's far hotter than we expected. Apple took a big hit yesterday after Trump's tariffs got in effect for products shipped from China. And if you have one of these WhatsApp versions, you should consider uninstalling or upgrading the app. I'm Jaime Rivera, live from the OnePlus 7 Pro event. It was really hot. Our video is already live and we've got more coverage coming soon. This is Pocketnow Daily. Man, this whole Amazon becoming a retailer for Apple products is really making them enticing. Currently $70 off every single variant of the Apple Watch. Series 4 is the one that I recommend the most. Definitely, I hope that this whole deal between Apple and Amazon continues, as it's only making everything a lot more compelling. Some prices are just the way they should be. Now let's talk about Lenovo. The company just launched a foldable laptop yesterday, or should I say they showcased the product that they have no name for, that is going to be launched in 2020, and yet, regardless of how ridiculous it is to announce something so vaguely, the product is actually really cool. The whole concept of actually having a laptop that becomes more of a notepad whenever you want it to, or becomes more of a book whenever you want it to, and there's even an optional keyboard. Again, 2020, we're gonna have to wait, but to be honest with you, it looks really cool. Now let's talk about WhatsApp as, well, we've got a new vulnerability that just came out. Follow the link in the description for the versions that are being affected as, well, this vulnerability allows anybody to install malware on your phone through a phone call, even if you don't answer it. So definitely an upgrade is important. Apparently, only a certain small amount of phones have been affected. Problem is, small amounts for the amount of WhatsApp installability is huge. So yeah, I thought that these were secure, man, but apparently it's not. Let's move the spotlight over to Apple, particularly one more time, because, well, their stocks are down 6%, but honestly, all the stock market is after the whole Trump tariffs. There are higher price tags on accessories, like 25% taxes in certain accessories. Components have also become more expensive, but according to analysts, prices are not necessarily going to grow on all Apple products immediately. They will over time, and yeah, that's making it really, really scary, as apparently there are more tariffs coming eventually. And finally, the hottest news today is definitely the OnePlus 7 Pro, which we have here. Our hands-on video is already live. We've got more videos coming very soon. Our impressions of the OnePlus 7 Pro are definitely very positive. This is a new strategy for OnePlus. In the past, the whole competition was of a price tag device that also had good specs. Now it's actually got more things going for it than just the specifications. Obviously, we've got comparisons coming up. We've got a full review. Let us know in the comments down below, what specific coverage would you like from the OnePlus 7 Pro? Definitely the comparison that I'm looking forward to most is with the Galaxy S10 Plus, particularly because of this display compared to that one, and other things that we'll keep you posted coming very soon. Leave us a comment down below. We'd love to know what you want to see. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and also subscribe on social media, as most of our extended coverage of this event and everything is happening there. You can also follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.